Yo, what's up everybody, how's it going? So today we are going to solve the another coolest question, which is two sum input array sorted. So guys, this question is pretty good, it's very awesome. So what we are going to do in this question, we have to we given an array, we have to return the target from that array. So we have to return the indexes of that element which makes the target. Okay, and guys, like the question is saying nothing more than that. The question is simply saying like, okay, so like once you you will get an array in which you will definitely find the target. So like we only get that array in which we will find the target. So like we don't get any array like in which the target is not available. Okay, so like because we don't have they don't mention like to return anything for that, like an array null, invalid, nothing. They does not have mention anything like that. So it means like the array is like the in array the target is possible. Okay, now one more thing, the good about question is the array is sorted. So if you look at the two sum, the 2 sum 1 1, that one is like not sorted array. So in that one we use the hash map, but over here we are going to use the 2 pointers. So like just remember, like I'm just giving you a quick tip to solve the question. For example, if you get anytime like sorted array, then just try to figure it out by solving using 2 pointers array, because that one is a pretty awesome way to solve and it's very simple. All right, so we are again going to use that approach in this one as well, but I will solve in 2 ways. So one is like which everybody know, and second is like a good one. So I will create that, like I will just show it to you. All right, there might be like difference in time complexity and the space complexity as well, so you will just see. All right, so first of all, what I will gonna do is like I will just talk about the first simple approach. If you want to go with the second one optimal, then you can see the timestamp, just simply go over there. Okay, so let's just talk about this one. So we have 2 7 11 and 15. All right guys, now what are we going to do? I will put my I over here and my j over here. So they will check if the target, what was the target? Our target is 9. Our target is 9. They will check if 15 plus 2 is 17 is greater than target. So I will simply move my j. My j will come over here. Now it will again check 11 plus 2 is 13. So still is bigger than my target. So I will again move my j over here. Okay. Now 2 plus 7 is 9. So we find it and I will return them simply. So my index will be 0 and 1. No. They mention return the indices in one index. Okay. So I have for that what I will do, I will simply add 1 to this one. So I have to return 1 comma 2. Alright, because you know why they are saying like this? Because in array we calculate our index like 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, like for example, like if we say like what's the length, so we will say like the length is 1 2 3 4, but no, but like if you're checking the array index, then we will check like this. So for that, like we'll simply add +1 to them to make our answer possible. All right, I hope the question is clear to you guys. So let me just erase this one completely. Complete erase. All right, now move to the first this one. So what I will going to do, I will simply create one int I equals to 0, which is my initially in the starting one, you can say. Now I will create my ending one, j equals to numbers dot length -1. Right guys, like I'm just copying this one because the number is like a little bit big, so I will solve it quickly for you guys. While I is less than equals to j. Okay, oh man, I will say I is less than equals to j, then what I will gonna do, I will simply say if, so this loop will run till I less than equals to j, like till the I and j does not meet. Okay, before the meeting this loop will run. Okay, so now what I will gonna do, I will check numbers of I plus arrays of j. Like I will not call number, like calling arrays more good for you, I think. All right, never mind. Is greater than target. If it is greater than target, then what I tell you to do, we just simply j decrement j. Okay, because we will decrement it. But else if, I will say else if my this one, oh sorry man, right, I forgot, I did a mistake. Right, what if I will say if my numbers of I plus my numbers of j is less than target, then I will increment my I. So I will simply increment my I. Alright guys, else if now I meet my target, so what for that I will gonna do, I will simply return and create an array, new int, I will say like I comma j. Alright, Now here's the thing, I told you like we have to return in the one indexes. Okay, so what I'm gonna do for this, I simply add +1, j plus 1. Alright guys, but like I told you, like if we did not find like, but like if in the case so they did not have mentioned anything like that, I will simply return like empty. I will like force I will simply return my empty array. Alright, and finally let me just give a quick hit, and as a compilation error, what's the mistake? Return new dimension sing. Okay, sorry, I forgot to put this one over here. Right, so these are dimension set. Now boom, here we go. So I hope this question is clear to you guys. I hope so. So let me just finally hit this submit one. But before leaving the video, I will tell you the another one. If you see, the runtime is 1 millisecond and the like time compression is not good. I think it's linear in this one, because like it's linear because we are simply running a while loop searching one, because we are searching for the everything, I think. Yeah, and the space complexity is 5, like it's not too good. Because like we are creating an like we are not using space, but still is giving this. All right, so you guys figure it out why is that. All right. Okay, now I will move to the one good one, like you can say optimal approach. Okay, for this, so what I will gonna do, I will gonna do nothing. I will simply, before like you know, we created the array over here, so I will not gonna do like this. Okay, so I will simply remove this one. I will create my result array over here. I will say int result, so new int, and the size of this array will be of 2, because only 2 elements can make a target. Okay, in this question, as mentioned in this question. All right, like that. All right guys, now what I will do, I will use an arrays.fill function. So basically what this arrays.fill function means, like for example, like we have assigned a array and we have given a value, so it will check for every value to make the target. Okay, but in this one we did not know, like we did not know what the target will be. Like the target will be anything else. Like if we have a particular one, like for example if we have the 10, so I will simply put my array and my value. Okay, but I don't have that one, so I will simply put my array and I will put -1 over here for that. Okay, and did I need to do any correction? Yeah, I need to do some correction over here. So what I will gonna do, I will simply say over here my result of 0, like you know the like in the output the 0 1 will be I plus 1. Similarly for the output of first index will be j plus 2. Alright, and I will simply return my result, and outside as well I will simply return my if we don't have, then simply empty result will be provided. Okay, let me just give a run this one. Okay, alright, so we just put 2 over here, bad mistake. So software engineers did a mistake because we made to solve the mistakes. Alright, mistakes can be happen by humans. The mistakes we did, we have to solve them as well. That's why we are engineers. Anyways, let me just submit it. And still, like you know, like I don't know why we get this, but like the time complexity, might be the server is too busy right now. That's why we get this one. So guys, I told you that the server is a little bit busy, but like I tried one more time, I find this one. So like now that solution is getting 100%. So if you see, so we are just you are here 100% is submission. All right, like just don't look at the submission. The thing is, like I want to tell you the approach. The main my motive is to tell you the approach. Like for example, if the interviewer asks, so you can at least tell them in the 2 approaches. Why is that? Because like you know, if you tell them in more than one approach, that will be more great to crack the interview, because the interview will be impressed. Like you know the good way from the brute force attack. First of all, you know how to approach. First of all, you have to so give them the brute force, then you have to give the optimal approach. The interview will be like, yo man, you made for this company, like that. So I hope this question helps you a lot, and if you have still any difficulty like that, then do just let me know in the comment section. I will definitely reach to you. And if you don't understand this video, I will suggest you just keep watching, because this question is very simple. I hope you will understand. And I just want to say thank you very much guys for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care, bye bye, and I love you guys.